Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SHIP, SHIP, Seanergy Maritime Holdings. And I do want to just go ahead and apologize to one of my subscribers. He is very big on this chart analysis, and it was my fault that I missed it the last couple of days. And I'll make sure to continue to follow up with that. I really want to thank you for pointing it out and making me aware of it, because it's so many different charts that I post, and here I am to post this one. And before I get directly into the chart, I do want to state that if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel. If you know anybody that can benefit from this, share this video with them, share it with your community. And if you like the content, hit the like button for me. And the last thing I would actually ask from all of you to do, viewers, subscribers, anybody that comes across this video, comment down below other ticker symbols. I'll see how I can go ahead and fit that into my schedule and see which ones I could do. And also as well, comment what are your positions if you would like, or if you don't want to talk about positions and you want to talk about just how you feel about the chart or what you're thinking about this stock, or what's out there and what's going on the news, and you want to add some input, I would gladly accept that on the comments. The more information, the merrier for all investors and for all of us. And there could be something I could miss, but I strictly focus on charts. But yeah, I encourage commenting. Feedback is great, always. I appreciate that from all of you. And this is a video that I'm doing right now because of feedback and because of comments and because of somebody that likes my videos, subscribes to my videos, shares my videos, and I just want to go ahead and say how much I appreciate him and how much he has actually been an influence here on my channel. We don't know each other, but I have gotten the privilege to meet him through my videos and through comments, and it's been a great thing. So I hope that he's excited for this, and I hope that he enjoys this video. So I apologize for taking some time expressing myself there, but let's go ahead and jump into this chart. So this chart has had a bullish run. This was the last day that I analyzed it. It was on the 15th. The weekend came and the beginning of the week started, and here we are all the way up to the 17th closing day, and it's the 18th, and tomorrow there are some cues we want to pay attention to. But what is very interesting is from the end of the 15th, starting the 16th, this has been on a bullish run. Very interesting. 50-day moving average is below it, and the bears are trying to tug this one down, as we can see here towards the end, but the bulls are fighting to maintain this one. So let's go ahead and move these indicators here for points of reference so we can go ahead and see how bearish or how bullish this can turn based off of the charts. By the way, I don't think I mentioned it, but I usually mention it in my videos. There are no emotions involved in these charts. I do not get paid for specific charts, and just strictly charts and letting the charts speak to us, which is exciting. Charts have all the information that we need, and some of us can see it and some of us can't. And once I point it all out, I mean, I hope that you guys can all also learn and see these things too. That's the point of my channel, and for all of us to learn and grow as we watch and see what's going on with these stocks. So these cues are very important. The first thing is the resistance level here, the support level, and the 50-day moving average. The first thing that stands out to me here is the resistance level. The resistance level is 1824. And why does it stand out to me? Because this is the last part where this got rejected. This particular stock got rejected later in the afternoon. And before that, there was another rejection, which is at 1875, which is the next resistance level. So if this first resistance level of 1824 can be broken by the bulls, they can use this as support, and their next resistance level would be 1875. That's the highest point that it reached in the last couple of days, and that was the biggest rejection, which this downfall started to happen. The bulls tried to bring this one back up. The closest they got to it was 1804, and then the bears brought this back down. So it ended the day at 1753. I mean, it did turn bearish. The bulls try to bring it back up, and it leveled out. The tug of war is happening right now, right here. So this is something you want to keep a close eye on for tomorrow, because the tug of war can take this in any direction. It can take it in a downward spiral, but then again, the bulls can load up and bring this one up, or it can start to go upwards. And if it doesn't break this resistance level and it doesn't use it as support, the bears can start to tear it back down. So definitely want to keep a close eye on it. And the last thing I want to point out here that's important is the 50-day moving average. It's 1706. As long as this is above the 50-day moving average, the bulls are in control, and they're going to have the leverage that they need to continue a bullish run. So 1706, I would definitely write that down. The closer it gets to that, the more the bears are trying to get control over this, and the further away it gets from it, the more the bulls are dominating this one. There's a key thing here too. There was a point, which is literally the support level, which is 1701, where this actually landed a little bit lower throughout the day, and it still looked bullish, as you can see here. But since the 50-day moving average moves where the stock moves, and it moves with it, the 50-day moving average is now above the support level. So if this was to get closer to the support level, I'm not saying that the bears have won. And even if they tear through it, I'm not saying that they've won. But the support level does end up being below the 50-day moving average, which in turn can start to give the bears some leverage. We'll have to definitely see how this one plays out tomorrow. But let me just go ahead and say these numbers again if you want to write them down. And most importantly, it's the support level right here is 1701. 1706 is the 50-day moving average. Closing price is 1753. And the resistance level that needs to be broken first is 1824. Once that's broken, this could be used as support by the bulls if they maintain themselves and don't get torn down by the bears. And the next step would be 1875. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this with your friends in your community, and comment down below any other insight you guys have and anything you guys want to share, or any other ticker symbols that you have in mind. And thank you so much for watching.